Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Winter Haven, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers is among the leaders in long distance moves to or from Winter Haven. Our representatives will come to your home or business and assess the scope of the work. We will start by creating a reliable and detailed inventory of what you need to move. Using that, we will provide you with a clear estimate of the cost and explain what goes into the price quote. We are licensed, bonded, and very professional. You won't lose any sleep worrying about your household goods, safety, and security if you choose 3 Movers to handle your long distance move. When you call a local moving company in Winter Haven, it might be a small independent mover, an agent representing a national company, or a franchise which corporate support. Or you could be talking to someone in the call center thousands of miles away, trying to sell moving services in places they have never been to. 3 Movers has local operations staffed with professional movers who know the area. Call us for a free in-home estimate for your local move or some helpful hints on how to make the move easier. We are a local company, but we have the resources you need to get the job done in a time when you need it done and for a great price. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Winter Haven moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.